Hello everyone, Ruchi here, and I hope you all are doing good. I have come up with one more unboxing video. This time I bought some Lesia Zgharda design stamps. Hope I'm pronouncing it well. There was a 25% off sale going on, so I bought some of my favorite ones which were in my wish list from long. So here are they. This first one is the leaf, twin with leaf bigger. The name of the set is this, and oh, this is lovely. This is plum blossom, branches with leaves, pine cone. So many lovely perfect day, beautiful rose, and this is cutting of the tree. These are two magnolia wreath, poinsettia with leaves. This is small leaf. This is two leaves, and these are two leaves, and it's eucalyptus branches and big succulent. Wow, loving them all. Aha. Soon we'll come up with some crafty videos. We'll make some cards and all. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. See ya. Bye bye.